Hello everyone, this is a very simple client-server chat application. We are going to using TCP socket Java. So, complete code for client and server can be found in the task description. So, how it works? Here is an example of how a very simple client-server chat application works. These are the stages involved. So, the first step is in any client server application, we need to run the server before the client because the server keeps waiting for the client to be connected. And then the next step is server keeps listening for the client and assign EP and port. The third step is for establishing connection, client must know the EP and the port for the server. And the last step is when we start client application, it creates a connection to the server. And the fifth step is after the successful connection, client server application can send and receive a message. So, first, we need to run a server. Why? Because the server will listen for the client. Let's go for the server here, and then let's click the button Run Project. Okay. Server is running and waiting for the client to connect. Now we will run for the client. This is the client. Click and run. Okay. The client now we will run the client. So the client and the server now is listening to him. So let's write a message to test the connectivity. Hi server. Send. We are running the client. So wait a moment. Let's start from the beginner. Okay, server now is running and waiting for the client to connect. Go to client. Okay, now the client also is running. Hi server. Send. Okay, it's sent. It's working. Let's test from the server to client. Let's send a message. Hi client. It's working. Let's ask if any problem. Any problem? Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.